Looking for cute hairstyles for short hair? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 10 easy and stylish short hair looks that are perfect for every day. Let's get started. 1. Claw Clip French Twist. Gather all your hair into a low ponytail. Twist it upward into a sleek French twist, and tuck the ends inside. Secure it with a claw clip for a chic, effortless style that's perfect for short hair. 2. Half Up Twist Hairstyle. Take 2 front sections, twist them back, and secure them at the crown with small clips. Gently fluff the twists and leave the rest of your hair down for a soft, playful finish. 3. Elegant Side Twist Hairstyle. Take a small section from each side, twist them toward the back, and secure them together with a cute bow clip. Gently fluff the crown for volume and leave the rest of your hair loose for a soft, elegant finish. 4. Soft Twisted Half Up Bob. Take 2 front sections, gently twist them toward the back, and pin them together for a soft half-up style. Loosen the twist slightly and let the face framing layers fall naturally for an effortless, elegant finish. 5. Space Buns with Face Framing Bangs. Part your hair down the middle, twist each side into a high bun, and secure them with hair ties or bobby pins. Finish by gently fluffing the buns and leaving the front bangs loose for a fun, playful look. 6. Hidden Twist Half Up Ponytail. Take the top section of your hair, twist it once, and secure it at the back with a small elastic. Wrap a small strand around the elastic to hide it, then gently loosen the crown for a soft, effortless finish. 7. Twisted Half Up Bob. Twist it upward, and tuck the ends underneath before securing with a hidden clip. Gently loosen the twist for extra volume, leaving the rest of your hair down for a chic. 8. Mini Top Knot Half Up Hairstyle. Take a small section of hair from the crown, twist it into a mini top knot, and secure it with an elastic or clip. Gently pull the top for extra volume, then leave the rest of your hair down for a cute, effortless look. 9. Twisted Low Braid. Take 2 front sections, twist them toward the back, and secure them together. Gather the remaining hair into a low 3-strand braid, then gently loosen it for a soft, elegant finish. 10. Half Up Mini Bun with Accent Braids. Take 2 small front sections and braid each one. Then gather the top section of your hair into a cute mini bun. Leave the rest of your hair down for an effortless... Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite hairstyle in the comments. See you in the next video!